Hi guys, welcome back. I am starting to work on my second Traveler's Notebook spread for this beautiful new kit that we have from Journals for Life. It is so sweet and cute, and it's full of sun and cute little drinky poos and guys, speech bubbles. It's so cute. We've got this great stamp set. Like, look, hello sunshine. How cute is that? Okay. We have that. I've got some gorgeous washi that I think we need to invoke on this layout. These cute little ice cream cones and popsicles. That's my favorite. Look at, can you guys, oh, it's not, it doesn't want to see it. Look at how cute. So cute. Okay. Anywho, and I have all kinds of die cuts, and these kits are packed. So this is me on Mother's Day doing a series of photos with my daughter, acting all silly and dramatic and all that kind of stuff, and just printed with my Canon selfies. So that's easy. Now, Mother's Day is in May, at least here, so summer's not gonna work, but we will have things that work. I'm thinking maybe something a little dramatic with a speech bubble. I like the idea of this sun because I am drinking something with orange juice in it, so I thought that might be kind of bright and happy. I do like the idea of this cute little drinky cup with that same color. So maybe something like, I don't know, maybe something down there. We'll see. We'll see. I just want to see everything that we have. Like, guys, when I get these kits, I legit want to use absolutely everything. This is a summer word again, so I can wait on that. Let's see. Oh, this is pretty. Guys, how do you do it when you get these kits? Do you guys find yourselves doing the same thing where you're just like, I use this and this and this? All right, let me get my brain working a little bit better. Oh, sorry, I don't know why that didn't focus. All right, give me 1 second. I am going to work on tucking in a couple things. Ooh, I like that line right there. And getting my thought process down a tiny bit. I'll be right back. So I went ahead and used the stamp set and stamped Hello Sunshine. I thought that was super cute. And I think I want to bring some of this pink over. I don't have enough for the full film strip. So what I think I'm going to do, I don't know. One of my pieces is a double print, so I'm choosing to just chop it off, and we'll see what that does to my design. I don't need the same picture on here on this one twice. Now I do that sometimes, but it's usually if it's on purpose. So let's chuck the one. Who knows? I'll save that little tiny photo for something some other time. All right, so let's see. Now if I do this now, ooh, I can fit them all on in a cute little film strip. Okay, perfect. Let's get these guys on. I'll cut that out, so then I'll have the pink brought across. I really like this really deep rosy pink. I think it's quite pretty. And it brightens up the whole layout just so. Okay, let's see. There we go. Nice little trim. That will get done. And guys, I said it on my last layout, like these layouts come together so quickly because you have everything right in front of you. It makes it really fun. I just sit down and just go boop, 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 and start creating. It's exquisite. Okay, super cute. I like that. A cute little strip here. I think I'll go ahead and get that down right away because why not? So what I think I'm going to do is just grab, I have some of these, little word stickers from my stash. Now pop a few down in a couple places. Then I grabbed some sequins from a previous kit and I want to sprinkle them around. I think that would be really fun. So let's see what works from here. And I didn't even know what was on these tiny little word stickers because I just don't care. I just like them. I like that they always add a little something, something. So that one reads sunny days. Let's see. Oh, yeah, it seems like it's all about beach and stuff. That's fine. This one reads woohoo. And let's see. Oh, and I have a dog barking. How nice. This one reads enjoy the little things. which will work to go across the whole thingy, which makes this one look uneven. And I'm gonna sprinkle in some sequins there, and I think maybe just 2 over here. I'm gonna do that and I'll show you the finished layout in just a moment. All right, y'all, so all I did was add 3 sequins from the previous kit that I had and some little words from my stash. Now I did go ahead and add in these little black hearts because I had that really cool, I don't even have much left, guys, that black pattern paper from the extra pattern papers we get. I really like that one. So I added that, a cute little bow from the little clippies that I make. That's just a little girl's hair clip hot glued onto a gold paper clip. So super easy stuff. I like it. It's fun. It's me being all dramatic and goofy, and that is awesome. So I'm gonna get some still shots, get this video up, and I'll be back ever so soon with another video. Oh, down below, guys, I will have links for the Facebook group, for the website, and I always have my discount code down below so you guys can score a discount on your next order. Okay, I will have still shots in one moment. Bye for now, friends.